Hi, Jim Mathers, President, Energy Professionals. Here's your energy news today. Listen. Listen, a lot of people don't know this, but if you get your roof done with your solar job, you can qualify. You got to check with your tax accountant because we can't give accounting advice, but check with your accountant. You can qualify for the federal tax credit to cover the roof and the solar. You have to call us for details. Depends on how much your roof is covered by the solar. But a lot of people right now are looking at an end of life on their roof. You can get a new roof, do solar, use all that. We can finance the whole thing. Spread this out so that you're spending less money than you are right now because of the reduction in the energy cost. This is an amazing program. We have installers across the country. We can handle any state in North America, any province. I'll tell you right now, Michigan, Minnesota, Massachusetts. I think Massachusetts right now is the number 2 state for solar application in the country behind California. I'm sitting in Florida. I have a lot of friends and neighbors that are now calling me saying, Jim, what can I do? What can I do? So I can help you because we have the best installers. We have the best financing. Give us a call.